Alright, everyone. Like I said, yeah, we're gonna be going on one. Which one is bigger? Alright, so which one is bigger? 1/4 or 1/8? Which one is bigger? If you chose 1/8, you're correct. Actually, you are not correct. 1/4 is correct. Look, let's make a diagram. So let's draw a square. Let's put in 4. 1, 2, 3. It's changing 1, so now that becomes 1/4. Let me make that a little bit. That's not that much equal. There. This is 1/4. Alright. Now let's do 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Okay. Now here we have 1/8. Which shaded part looks bigger? Still think it's 1/8? No. I said shaded part. Which one, when shaded part looks bigger? One fourth looks bigger. So, yeah, 1/4 is bigger. So, here we go. So, here's what I'm gonna do. So, you are gonna tell me which one is bigger. Is it bigger or less than? So, 1/4 and 1/8. You're gonna tell me which one is bigger. 1/5 and 1/10. 1/9 and 1/6. Then 1/7. 1/8. So now you were gonna tell me which one is bigger on each one. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Alright, so you guys are gonna tell me which one is it. So the first one. If you chose 1/4, you are correct. Second one. If you chose 1/5, correct. If you chose, number 3 now. If you chose 1/6, you are correct. And the last one, if you chose 1/7, you are correct. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. So let's continue. Alright, so that was actually a quick one today. Now, tomorrow, I'm gonna be showing you about actually adding fractions. Oh, we could do all 3 today. Let's just do all 3 today. So, now we're going to jump into adding fractions. Now, remember what I told you in the first video. 80% of kids always do this. 80% of kids always do this for an example. No, that's not correct. That is 2 halves, 80%. Or you can also say 1. 1 half and 1 half equals 1. You can also say that. So we're going to be adding them, but do not add the denominator. No, don't add. No, 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 no. 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 Yeah, no. So, here we go. What is 3 sevenths plus 4 sevenths? Correct. 7 sevenths or 1. Okay, so next one. So, you are correct if you put in 9 tenths. 1 will not be an answer. Next one. Yes, 2 halves or 1. Yep, 4 fourths or 1. Okay, we have 3 more to go. You are correct if you put in 10 twelfths. Oh yeah, I have a bonus problem for you. What is the square root of 25 equal? You don't know? Man, you suck. It's 5. Man, you guys suck. You know what the square root of 25 equal? Man. Alright, let's go to the next one. Goals. 2 fourths. Alright, last one. This is not a suitable problem. So this is a unnamed fraction. Unnamed fraction. Alright, so now we're done with those. So now let's move on to our next one. Fractions on a number line. Fractions on a number. So let's go with our first number line. 0 and 1. Alright, so what are you supposed to do in the mids? So here is the one whole. This is the 0. So how do we get to the one whole number lines? Let's do fifths on a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5/5 is the total whole. So do you guys get what the number line is? Because let's say, let's try half. Half is gonna be easy. So here we have a 0 and a 1. Okay, so now halves is very easy. We just put 1 half, and then 2 halves is the whole number. Is the one whole number. And yeah, that's it. Halves on a number line are very easy. Now let's try thirds. Let's try thirds. So 1/3, 2/3, and now 3/3. 3/3. So when you get to number 1, so basically, let's say you're doing 6, then you have to do 5 lines, and then once you get to the 1, you stop, and on the bottom you put in the 6/6. So like on the bottom, you have to put in like the 6/6. So factoring number line is easy. Now let's learn about unit fractions. Unit fractions. Unit fractions are basically the number 1, 1/4, 1/6, 1/10, 1/13, 1/20, 1/50, 1/69. Yeah, basically. So, unit fractions are basically just the number 1 with fractions. So, like, let's count from unit fractions. Let's count by unit fractions. Alright. 1/2. 1/3. 1/4. 1/5. 1/6. 1/7. 1/8. 1/9. 9. 1/10. 1/11. 1/12, which is known as the max of an original fraction, and then 1/13, 1/14, 1/15, 1/16. So, yep, that is a unit fraction. So that was all it. that was stuff we need to learn about fractions. If you're a beginner of third grade, you're gonna start going to fractions of shading, representing the shaded and unshaded. Unshaded you might do later. You might do unshaded later. But in fractions there is a rule. The numerator can't be larger than the denominator. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. Ish. But there can't. Because once you start going in third grade, you're going to be learning about holes, like more holes than one hole. Like 6/4, 5 halves, 9 halves, 7/4. No. 6/3. Yeah, you're gonna be learning about that. So I'll give you one. I'll just give you one. So I'm gonna make 4 circles. 4/4. Okay. Each black dot is a shade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are unshaded. Unshade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 are shaded. So the fraction is 10/5. Well, that's what I think, but yeah, maybe I forgot a little bit about this, but you will understand this fall. You will go through third grade. I do not know what to do there. But all the other things are good, so this is it. I'm not here to give you division problems. Yay. 12. I'm going to give you division. The heck? Copy this on the paper. Do it. Yeah. 12 divided by 3. So divided by 3. Come on. Do it. Do the problems. Okay. This is 4. This is 2. This is 7. No. Wait. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 2. Yep, that was just a warm up of division. Now that was actually it. So please subscribe. I'm only at 45 subscribers. My goal is to make it 1,000 subscribers so I can make my first live stream of thanking you. The live stream gonna be about like 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so please, I want you to subscribe, please. This will help me out a lot, and also I'm trying to get a lot of views.